Afternoon, traders. John Caruso coming to you here for October 13th with your currency update for the day. First off, it's been a relatively light week thus far on the U.S. economic data front. However, we did see a flurry of news come out in the overnight. We did see some weak data from China. And the one that jumps out at me the most is the UK CPI and PPI data that came out, which reported negative inflation rates, which has only happened twice since the 1960s. So that's pretty alarming. Not surprisingly, we're seeing the British pound down 122 points right now at 152.32. Looking over at the U.S. dollar, we do have the dollar sitting up about 5 points right now at 94.81. We were making the call over the past several weeks that the next big move was going to be down in the dollar. We did see that drop all the way from 96 and change to where we're presently at right now at 94.81. We're probably going to see some support come in the dollar down around 94.20 here in the near term. Looking at the euro, very quiet day as far as the euro is concerned, trading 113.89, only up a point. Really nothing to be said there. Looking at the global economy as a whole, deflation still largely is the theme. Lower for longer on interest rates seems to be the theme. It looks as if coming off of the weak jobs data that we saw last Friday or 2 Fridays ago, it doesn't appear as if the Feds are going to raise interest rates at the October meeting. However, some of the Fed heads that have been out talking over the last couple of days still think that we will raise rates by the end of the year. I still am very, very skeptical of that viewpoint. We still feel that first quarter of 2016 is when we could be met with the first interest rate hike by the Feds. Tomorrow, we do have retail sales here in the United States, so we will get some volatility and some action off of that number. The reading is expected to come in at 0.1%. Again, a very deflationary reading on retail sales. So we'll see what that looks like tomorrow. We'll be back with you next week. Once again, I'm John Caruso. Feel free to call me anytime. Substantial risk. It may not be suitable for all investors.